Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must start by proving ownership. I cannot help bypass a password without authorization. Gather your purchase receipt, the phone's IMEI, and any linked Google account details. Once done, make sure the phone is charged above 50% to avoid interruptions. If you can sign into the linked Google account, use account recovery options first because they restore access without data loss. If you cannot, proceed to official support channels or authorized service centers, where proof of ownership will allow safe, legal assistance. You should next try the built-in recovery routes. These are safe and preserve your data when possible. Use Google's Find My Device to locate the phone, lock, or erase it if you initiated a remote action, and pursue Google account password recovery to regain credential access. If those fail, contact Vivo support or an authorized service center, provide receipt ID, and IMEI so technicians can verify ownership. Make sure to ask about data backup options and official procedures to avoid voiding warranty or damaging the device. If recovery attempts don't work, you should request an authorized factory reset through Vivo support or a certified service provider. Do not attempt clandestine bypass methods. You'll hand over proof of ownership. Technicians will perform the reset safely and explain whether data recovery is possible. Once complete, set up the device with a strong, memorable credential and enable backups and Find My Device. If problems persist, escalate with regional Vivo support and retain all documentation. This protects you and ensures legitimate resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.